Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Selenium WebDriver on macOS. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your terminal application on macOS. You can find terminal by searching for it in Spotlight. Next, you need to ensure that you have Homebrew installed. Homebrew is a package manager that simplifies software installation on macOS. To check if Homebrew is installed, type brew-v and press enter. If it is not installed, visit the Homebrew website for installation instructions. Once Homebrew is set up, you can install Java, as Selenium requires Java to run. Type brew install OpenJDK in the terminal and hit enter. This will download and install the latest version of OpenJDK. After the installation is complete, you need to set the Java environment variables. You can do this by adding the following lines to your shell configuration file. If you're using bash, type nano/.bash_profile. If you're using zsh, type nano/.zshrc. Add these lines: export java_home equals $usr/libexec/java_home, and export path equals $java_home/bin$path. After adding, save the file by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and enter. To apply the changes, type source/.bash_profile or source/.zshrc, depending on your shell. Now that Java is set up, you can install the Selenium WebDriver. In the terminal, create a new directory for your Selenium project. Type dir selenium_test and press enter. Change to the new directory by typing cd selenium_test. Next, you need to install the Selenium Java client library. Use the command brew install maven to install Maven, the build automation tool. Once Maven is installed, create a new Maven project by typing mvn archetype generate group id equals com.example.artifact id equals selenium demo darchetype artifact id equals maven archetype quick start interactive mode equals false. This command sets up a basic project structure for Selenium. Change into your new project directory by typing cd selenium demo. Open the pom.xml file in a text editor. In the dependencies section, add the following dependencies for Selenium: XML dependency group id org.selenium.selenium/group id artifact id selenium java/artifact id version 4.0.0/version/dependency. Make sure to check for the latest version of Selenium on the official website. Save the pom.xml file after adding the necessary dependencies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.